Hey crafty cuties, welcome back to Paper Terrace. If you're new, I'm Jessica. Today I'm going to show you what I sent out for my March Patreon members, and I'm putting this up a bit late, but I still wanted to do the video because it's kind of nice to look back on and we get to do a little layout in my journal. So let's get started. And since I'm putting this up so late, let me just give you a sneak peek of what's coming for April, because this is going up in April. For April, I'm going to be doing these little pressed flower envelopes, something like this. It's probably going to be changed up a bit. Little layered embellished seed packets, and then masterboard tags. And again, I'll probably change it up a bit, but that's what you get for now. Okay, so this is what I sent out for the dandelion tier. Your little welcome note, plain cards, a little postcard, and a little like sticker or something like that. This one, the dandelion tier varies quite a bit because I just kind of sent out like what was extra for that month. But the lilies, I'll get kind of the same thing. Again, it will change up by like colors and styles, but little welcome note. These were the plain cards that I sent out. There's two different styles actually. And then a little wallpaper pouch. And they have Velcro. And then I included like a little wallpaper tag and a ticket. And then I put some little extra goodies inside also. So then the rose tier, welcome note, plain card. And for these wallpaper pouches, also you can see that I have lace on them. I added extra things inside, so it's just like a mix of little ephemera and stickers and whatnot. But then this tier also got a vintage, let's see, so a fabric tag, and I used a vintage sheet, and they're all sewn, and they are backed with coffee dyed paper. And then also a little 5-piece kit, and these all vary with what they are, with what I include, but I included some time cards, repair tags, and then like little stickers and vocabulary cards and things like that. So then the last tier, is the orchids tier, and this one, I got the plain card, the little wallpaper pouch, and again, I added like even more in these ones, just like little snippets and things like that, and the little wallpaper tags that I've made, just simple little tags to go into the front pouch here, and these really cute little tickets. Fabric tags again, and for this tier I added like a little either like a lace top or some kind of a tab. And then I also made these guest checks, embellished guest checks, and I did some stenciling. I put a little snippet at the top and did some stamping. They all vary slightly. And then the 5-piece kit, again, which kind of varies. So I'm gonna use this one right here to create our layout for today. And I keep thinking that I'm completely done filling up this wallpaper journal, but I still have a couple random little pages in here. So we'll just find a page, like, cause I could do something on this side. This has been so fun to fill up. This is all like Patreon items in here. And it's been just so fun to create in this journal. I sold these journals a while back, so I'm just doing a quick little flip through here for you. So I think, let's see, and this is just kind of floating around. I think I will, let's see, I think I saw a page somewhere in front here, right here. Let's go ahead and do this page, because since we have like some floral stuff over here, I feel like it'll kind of go. And we have a music paper background, which will be nice. Okay, so The obvious thing is we could just put the wallpaper pouch down on a page. But we also have this guest check. I mean, I could almost make a pocket, although that would be cutting it kind of close because there's not too much room. Wonder if I could use the envelope. Yeah, I think I can. Okay, I'm gonna use this envelope like at backing as a little spot for our pouch to go. So I'm going to cut this down to the width of the page, or close enough. Actually, this will make a double pocket then. So I'm going to cut the, well, since I already cut the side, I could just have it be a side pocket. Yeah, I think I'll do that. And so I'm going to go ahead and glue down the side that has the flap. And I'm just gonna glue the two sides, being careful not to add too much glue. There. I could have made this a little bit wider, but I think it'll be fine because it's still, yeah, it's still a touch wider than the pouch. And then, oh no, did I put, you know what, I wanted to have the pocket be on the other side. I wonder if it's too late to do that. Yeah, it is. So what I'll do is I'll just also trim this side real quick. Just need to cut off a sliver. See, I swear, every time I'm doing a layout, there's like some little thing that goes wrong, but it's all right, it's all right. Okay, there we go. Can't really press that down, and I'm not worried about it being open on this side, just because if it goes through, it's not really going to be able to come out since it's the middle of the book. And then that's what I was thinking of doing with this, is kind of slipping that behind, and then it looks cute, but then you could also pull out and do some journaling. Of course, I just do these layouts for fun, so. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just glue down this. Kind of center it like that. And if I want, I know there's some little bits and pieces in here that I could use for decorating, but I think so far I'm just gonna leave everything in there. For this tag, I'm gonna go ahead and trim the strings just a little bit. And this I will put in our little side pocket. Like that. That'll look cute. And then we can pull that out if we wanted also. And then let me see if there's any, I mean, honestly, like it's kind of just good to go with how it is, but let me see if I wanted to add any little bits and pieces. We have our vocabulary card. Because I could add like something up here, but I don't think I'm going to. Maybe, oh, there's some stickers in here. So I might actually use the stickers. But where could I? Maybe like layering behind. Yeah, I could put them behind the guest check. So let me get the backing off. Sometimes the backings usually come off pretty good on these clear stickers that I get from Amazon. Trying to there, then it kind of peeks out. So I'll do one on that side, and then I have one more. We'll put it on the other side. So I really liked this month. I loved the wallpaper pouches. They were super fun to make, but I'm also very excited for April's because I love like seed packets and floral things, and I cannot get the backing off on this. I think I jinxed myself because I just said that these backings come off very easily. Oh my goodness. I'm not giving up, guys. You might be here all night with me, but we're gonna get it. There's no way that this like isn't a sticker, right? Oh my gosh. Now it's actually got me thinking, is this not a sticker? But it has to be, because I got it with all the rest. Oh my gosh. Well, this is frustrating. I should just give up by now, but I have a little tool somewhere too that makes it easy, but I rarely, there we go. Rarely need it. I was pulling from the wrong side, that's why. Okay, well then. Okay, let me put this down first. There. And again, it's just kind of peeking out, so I like that. And I could add any of the other little things I wanted. I'll add, just for fun, I'll add the repair tag, because it's just all about the layering, you know? Just kind of like that. So I think that's all. Simple, but a fun little layout. So I hope that you guys liked seeing that. And that's it for this video. So give this video a thumbs up if you like seeing these layouts, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.